Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's special episode, you will learn everything you would need to learn about how to serve food in hotel or restaurant. Today you will learn how to serve the food in an elegant and sophisticated way, but in a professional manner in accordance with the set standards of the hotel or restaurant. Guests are ultimate boss in the hospitality business, so serving food properly is a very vital task to perform for each and every waiter and waitress. Procedures of serving food: pick up the food from the kitchen, approach the guest table, serving the food. Remarks: if there are 2 or more guests. Points to remember: pick up food from the kitchen. The procedures for picking food are: after passing the order to kitchen, set up all required cutleries on the table properly, pick up food from the kitchen and bring it to the guest table, pick up hot dishes from the hot kitchen and cold dishes and dessert from the cold kitchen pantry.
Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button. Then log into your Gmail account and click again on the subscribe button.
Check to ensure correct orders have been picked up from the kitchen as per order sheet and ensure the correct arrangement of following: table number, garnishes and condiment, clean crockery, food covers for hot food. Procedure number 2: approach the guest table. While approached to the guest table, perform the following: establish eye contact and approach the guest with a smile in your face. Identify the food order for each guest from the order pad. Procedure number 3: serving the food. Remove the food cover using your right hand to place the food in front of guest and serve from the right hand side of the guest. Always serve children or lady first, then an older gentleman or a guest and the host last. Always announce what you are serving to guest. Always serve the food according to sequence. Make eye contact with a smile. If the guest has finished any particular course, clear it from the right-hand side of the guest and serve the next course. Once the guest completed all course, take tea or coffee order and be ready for service. Number 4: procedure. Remarks: if there are 2 or more guests. To serve both guests concurrently, serve the first guest with your right hand and hold the second plate with the left hand. Call other staffs to assist you in serving, if necessary. Procedures number 5. Points to remember. Always approach the guest in a friendly and efficient manner. Always serve the guest from the right-hand side. Never give hurry to a guest to complete a meal. Do not clear any plate until everybody has completed the course. Address guest by using their name. That's all for this episode, but please don't go anywhere. You can read 200+ hotel or restaurant management training tutorials and watch some exciting training videos. Have a look. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.